created a 30-day roadmap that eliminates overwhelm. When facing career uncertainty, decision paralysis sets in as your mind processes too many options simultaneously. A structured plan creates clear decision points and measurable progress markers. Here's the week-by-week breakdown. Week 1, self-assessment and path selection. A days 1 to 3. Take inventory of your existing skills, knowledge, and resources. Dig deeper into transferable skills beyond job titles. A days 4 to 5. Research market demand using Google Trends, freelance platforms, most requested sections, or analyzing popular online courses. A day 7. Commit to one primary income strategy from the 4 we discussed. Common obstacle. Analysis paralysis. Solution. Set a firm deadline for your decision and stick to it. Remember, perfect is the enemy of done. You can always pivot later. Week 2. Building your minimum viable offering. A days 8 to 10. Create your deliverable based on your chosen path. Freelance profiles with service packages, course outlines with sample lessons, digital product prototypes, or tech demonstration projects. A days 11 to 14. Gather feedback from potential customers or peers in your field to refine your offering before launch. Common obstacle. Feeling unprepared to share your work. Solution. Join relevant online communities where people are willing to provide guidance when you show initiative. Week 3, launch week. A days 15 to 18. Finalize your offering and put it into the world. Submit proposals, launch pre-sales, set up sales pages, or apply to relevant positions. A days 19 to 21. Make immediate adjustments based on initial market response. Common obstacle, handling rejection. Solution, detach your identity from outcomes. Each no is market feedback, not personal failure. Keep a daily success journal to document small wins when results aren't immediately visible. Week 4, optimization and scaling. A days 22 to 25. Analyze what's working and double down on those elements. A days 26 to 28. Set up systems to make your process efficient, templates, workflows, response scripts. A days 29 to 30. Establish specific income goals and metrics to track, creating accountability. Common obstacle, time management while still employed. Solution, use the productivity sandwich technique, 30 minutes before work and 90 minutes after, to build alternative income without sacrificing your current job. Throughout this process, follow the 2-hour rule. Dedicate at least 2 hours daily to your alternative income strategy, preferably at the same time each day. Consistency beats intensity when building new income streams. Elena's success story. Elena was a marketing manager who saw the writing on the wall when her company started automating campaign analytics with AI tools. Following this structured approach, she assessed her skills and created AI-enhanced marketing analysis service packages. After pitching to 17 companies, she landed 2 clients by day 20. The hardest part was sending those first few proposals, Elena told me. I kept thinking someone would call me out as a fraud. But after my first client call, I realized companies were desperate for someone who could translate AI data into business decisions. By day 45, I was earning 60% of my former salary, working half the hours. Additional obstacles you'll likely face include the feeling you're not making progress fast enough. Combat this by tracking leading indicators, proposals sent, content created, rather than lagging indicators, income earned. The imposter syndrome tax. Undercharging because you don't feel qualified. Counter this by researching market rates and sticking to them. Your perception of your value is almost always lower than what clients will pay. Fear of making the wrong strategy choice. Remember that any choice beats no choice. Taking action creates data, and data allows for better decisions. Most successful entrepreneurs didn't start with the perfect idea. They improved through execution. This 30-day framework transforms abstract concepts into concrete actions by creating what psychologists call implementation intentions. Specific plans linking situations to responses, dramatically increasing follow-through rates. Let me tell you straight up, the difference between people who successfully navigate career transitions and those who don't isn't intelligence, credentials, or luck. It's the ability to take consistent, structured action even when the path forward isn't completely clear. So here we are at the end of our robot apocalypse survival guide, and I hope you're feeling less doomed and more determined. The robots are fundamentally changing what work means. This transformation creates tremendous opportunity for those paying attention. The people who will thrive financially aren't those clinging to traditional employment, but those who position themselves to benefit from this shift. Your grandparents had one job for life. Your parents had several. You can build financial independence no algorithm can touch. The question is whether you'll ride this wave instead of being crushed by it.